2020 Cadillac XT5 with less than 28,000 miles on the odometer. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.